any one of this or many of this gets blocked, so there is high level here because this is coming by gravity, and low flow here. Low flow permeate, right?
We have taken the motorized transport.
Yes, there is will close automatic.
Which one, Imran?
This one.
Initial one.
No, that I have taken.
FDR inlet is motorized.
Yes,
He has not taken this.
अरे लिया मैंने, देखो ने SG ये लिया ने SG 901. Okay, so in this one, if this is blocked, how do I come to know?
Yeah.
If this membrane is blocked, how do I come to know?
Yeah, actually, before it's blocked, you have already partially transmitter measuring in negative value.
MTB.
Because this is suction, not this
Change
change.
the number of rate that is to make.
Can you give me the number?
Okay, go to the, it will, you can see, go to the right side. At the head of this one. So then on left.
This one?
You can check number 7. First call it number 7. Number 7, yes, go down. Measure negative suction pressure on the permeate header. For this one, you have certain value. For example, you will adjust the SCADA system up to minus 0.6. That means the performance of the membrane is not good. So it's earlier indication before damaging that be careful. There is an issue. You have to make it clean.
Okay. So
Yeah, that is TMP.
okay, so then can I consider this PIT?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
consider.
And what about the level will go down?
From the suction from there. So it's coming, this membrane should not be exposed.
Okay, so there are. See, I want to make this simple to understand. So if this is blocked, so high level will come here. You have local indication.
No,
LI?